Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for luxury goods and accessories business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. Okay, so as you see here, you can enter your website type. Okay, so now you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, online luxury jewelry store. Now you can enter your business name or your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or drop shipping product? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell your mobile app or marketplace in social media or your online store? So let's continue to dashboard. Now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you or customize the design templates. So for me, I'm gonna get started from here. Okay, so as you see here, you can enter your information, your name, your email, your address and your phone, and also you can add a social link. Okay, so as you see here, you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the font. So it's more important to make your site look attractive, to attract more people, more customers to your website. Okay, wait a few seconds. Now you're gonna choose your favorite homepage design. Okay, so as you see, you can pick your favorite one. I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now you can add page to your site if you want. You can also skip all this if you don't need it. You can customize them later. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. Here you can add elements, you can add sections, you can add pages and menus. Also, if you wanna design the site, so first of all, if you wanna add elements, you can start from the text, the theme text, the titles and the paragraphs. Also, if you wanna upload images, you can import images or explore images. Here, if you wanna customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons. Also, if you want to change or customize the decorative, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, vertical lines. So if you want to add something new like section, you can just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. Also, if you want to design the site, you can design the colors and the themes and the text, the page background, the page transitions. If you want to add apps, you can add them from here. Okay, so as you see here, let's start from the first section, the header section. So you can do a quick edit, like you can change if you want to change the site name. Also, you can manage the horizontal menu. So nothing special here. Let's move on to the next section. The next section, the welcome section. So as you see, you can change the section background, the strip background, the title. You can regenerate another one. So if you want to regenerate something, just click on it and you can create another AI text. You can just select the type of the section here. You can describe what you want in your text. For example, if you wanna create some text, just select the type and you have to insert information to include here. and it's gonna create it for you, so you can make it shorter or regenerate another one. For example, I'm gonna use this one right here. So that's it. If you wanna change the image or the color in the background, you can change it. So let's move on to the next section, the product section. So here you have to create your product. So to do that, you have to manage products. So you have to add new products. Okay, now as you see, you can add new products. You can select the type of your product, physical product or digital file. Okay, and after this, wait a few seconds. Now you can add the title of your product, add images and videos. You can also add your product information, the name and the description. Also, if you want to customize the price and options, you can customize the discount and the sale price. Also, you can customize the inventory and the shipping. You can turn this on, track inventory. So you can customize the inventory and the status and the shipping weight. So that's it. After you're done, you can just save this place and go back to the editor page to complete the design. So let's move on to the next section, about section. So as you see here, if you want to regenerate another text, just click here like this and select this section, and you have to insert information to include here, and easily you can just use it. You can make it shorter or generate another one, or you can change the tone. So if you wanna edit and change the text, you can select your favorite fonts. Okay, and also you can change the style. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, so this is the client section. So nothing special here. If you want to change just the color and the font, you can change it from here, from edit the text. Okay, so this is the code section. As you see here, you can change the text on this button right here. You can change the layout, and you can design it and change the animation. You can change the text right here. Okay, and if you want to change this image, just click on it, and you can search on any image you like on the search. For example, you can type here luxury goods, simply like this. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. If you want to change the color in the background, just from here, you can change the color. So that's it. So this is the features section. As you see here, you can also change the text, the colors, the image. Now you know what you have to do. So that's it. This is the last section here. You can do a quick edit. So you can just add your email and the company name for the copyright. So you can customize whatever you like here. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. So also you can save this editor page, and after this, if you wanna publish, you can publish your website and go live and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.